So, welcome everyone. So, in this session, we are going to see what is a queue and what are the functions, some of the functions of the queue, and we'll explain it by a code. So, first of all, let me start with the help of a diagram, means a figure and structure that I have written here. So, let's start. A queue. A queue is a linear data structure that consists of a collection of items that follow first in, first out, also known as FIFO sequence. So in here, I have added some elements in the queue. You can see one, two, three, four, and five. The first element I added was one, then second, third, fourth, and fifth. The first element that I added will be the first to go out. That is the meaning of FIFO. Now let's see some of the functions of the queue. First is enqueue. Enqueue actually adds item from the back of a queue. It's add item in the back of the queue, and dequeue means it's add items from the front of the queue. And there is peak, or also known as front also. It returns the value of the item in front of the queue without dequeuing. And there is size, it returns the number of elements in queue. Now let's go into the coding part. Let me open my wish code studio. So let's start text file. So let's start. First implement the queue class queue. Then we are going to add def underscore init. Just a second. If init, then we need self items. Open bracket. Then next def is underscore empty. Then we want to add self. Then we want to return the len of self dot items equal to 0. Then we are going to def enqueue it. After that dequeue enqueue. Sorry, enqueue. Self con self dot items. I'm going to append this and we will add item again. Wait. And after that, we are going to dequeue this. We'll add def d e q dequeue. Then we'll say if not self not is underscore entry, we'll do this. We'll return self dot items dot pop. Else we will raise an index index error saying that cannot be queued from empty queue. The queue is empty, we can't do this. And after def dq, we'll do def d reverse def DSA is in shape dot is empty return post of the copy. Sorry, not of the dot items. Shell option 0. So moving on, now we put a else and do the same as we did for DQ. Raise an index error. Sorry, index cannot be from empty queue. After that is completed, we use def size also. Def size return dot add. That's completed. Now we'll implement data to the queue. For that, first of all, we'll add a queue. Not like this. Q equal to Q equal to Q. Then we will Q E dot. We'll first enqueue it. Add one. Enqueue Q dot add Q2. Same again. Q dot add three elements. Then we will go for printing it. Print first size comma that q dot size. Okay, it's done. Now we'll be print 'Is also done. So empty is empty. Now we'll add another one. Q. Q. Come. Good. Good. Q. That's what print the Q item. Item. Now one we are to do, we have to print one more. Print. Q mark. Oh, then Q dot is underscore. So now let's see running this code. I think there are some errors. We'll rectify it. Add this Q. There are some errors. Let me check it that. First error, now let's see running it. Is not defined. Yeah. So there was some error in the code. I have rectified it. So now let's try and run it. Just a second. Okay. See, now I had three elements here, one, two, three. Then the queue size is three. Then they peaked the element, and the first element was one, so it came out. Then the dequeued item, one again dequeued item, two. Deleting is the first element is the first out. Is the queue empty now? Like because I dequeued it everything, the queue became empty. So it's saying it's true. So that's all. Thank you.